the most important thing, India and AI. Okay, so we already knew a lot of thing going to be already happened and going to be happen. So there is a one community, there is a one organization. That organization is called the India and AI. The National Artificial Intelligence Portal of India, called ai.gov.in, has already launched, and that is launched by Ravi Shankar Prasad. So Ministry of Electronics and Information Technology, Government of India, already thinking a lot more about AI. And if you people are aware, there is a one conference already happened, and which is a lead by our honorable Prime Minister. Okay, so that called the RAISE, Responsible AI for Social Empowerment. Okay, so the Prime Minister Narendra Modi inaugurate the RISE 2020, that is called the Responsible AI for Social Empowerment 2020. That it is a 5-day global AI summit, which took place virtually from October 5 to 9 in 2002 during the pandemic. Okay, the Ministry of Electronics and Communication, Electronics and Information Technology, shortly that is called MEITY, in a partnership with the Niti Aayog, organized that summit. The around 45,000 stakeholders from the academic, research, industry, government, a government representative from more than 133 countries registered to participate in the RAISE 2020 summit. That was a huge event, and that completely focused on AI. Okay, so that is so okay, so we need to make artificial intelligence in India and make artificial intelligence work for India. So some interesting statements made by Narendra Modi, honorable Prime Minister of India, I'm going to be just say. The first thing is that he say AI is a tribute to human intelligence power. At every step of history, India has led to world in the knowledge and learning. Okay, he said a lot of like good thing, but some good thing about the AI, some also some drawback of the AI, like it remain our collective responsibility to ensure the trust in AI is used. Algorithm transparency is a key to stabilize this trust. Equally important is accountability. We must protect the word against the weaponization of AI by non-state area. Okay, actors. But yes, we are not. So these are the some statement given by the AI, and we can understand how our government thinking about AI and how the GDP, how the growth of any country is going to be changed by implementation of AI. So he said, we want India to become a global hub for AI. Many Indian are already working on this, and I hope many more do so in the time to come. So I might be, you might people know about him. This is also a Indian, and now he's the CEO of IBM, Arvind Krishna. He already said in that same like a race, like in 2002, hybrid cloud and AI are two dominate force driven digital transformation today. And what is exactly digital transformation? We already talked, that is the industry 4.0. Okay, so let us talk about India and AI. Okay, so according to the independent study, AI has the potential to increase India annual growth rate by 1.3% and will add USD 957 million to Indian economy by 2035. That is a huge amount. Okay, according to the expert, AI will address language barrier and will be vital for managing emergency situation like pandemic in future. You people already aware that some of the native language, Bhojpuri, Assami, is people going to be utilize it, and now Google is also give an option to translate not only English, not the popular language, even Assami and Bhojpuri, the some very area specific language. So according to the expert, AI will address the language barrier and will be vital for managing emergency situation like pandemic in future. Okay, that is AI will add one USD like 15.7 trillion USD to global economy by 2030 and is expected to enhance the likelihood of the million of people around the world. And we are going to be see this. India is a like Okay, we are going to see that rapid development. Okay, so that is a India, that is a India and AI, and so that is a huge opportunity for us. Okay, and if you people know about the how we can acquire the knowledge, how we can train from AI, there is a huge sources, huge open source platform is already there. Even since 5 years, a lot of IITs and ITs already started uh, PhD in artificial intelligence, master in artificial intelligence, and even bachelor in artificial intelligence. If you already heard about like in 2021 or 20, IIT Madras already give a great opportunity to learn, and like IIT Madras already launched the BSc in a data science, so anyone can learn after 10+2. That is the impact. We can see that is the impact. I mean, that is we can learn all this thing, and that is the impact of the AI. Everyone thinking about AI in okay. So we have to learn all this thing, and we have to skill improve our skill, and we can start our career and build our career in that news and technology. You might aware with that Niti Aayog. Okay, okay, and there is a lot of tweet given by Narendra Modi about AI. We need to make artificial intelligence in India and make artificial intelligence work for India. Okay, I would urge all of you to identify the grand challenge of artificial intelligence can solve for India. That these are the some tweet, and that so a lot of things. Because if the our if the leader of a country thinking about this thing, we can think how bandwidth artificial intelligence have. Okay,